Yo, what's up everyone, welcome back to the channel, and today I'm going to show you guys how to withdraw funds on Sofi. So let's get straight into the video. I got a couple of withdrawal methods. You could use bank transfer, wire transfer, debit card withdrawals. So let's get straight into the video with withdrawing through bank transfer. So the first thing you want to do here is to log into your Sofi account, and then click on withdraw or transfer, and then you want to select bank transfer as the withdrawal method. Then you want to choose the bank account that you want to transfer the funds to, and then of course enter the withdrawal amount, confirm the transfer details, and then you just got to wait for funds to be transferred. Now this typically takes between 2 to 3 business days, so you just got to wait it out and receive your funds. The second method is to withdraw funds via wire transfer. So what you want to do first is to log into your Sofi account, and then you got to click on withdraw or transfer, and then you want to select wire transfer as the withdrawal method. Then you want to obtain the wire transfer instructions from Sofi, and then you want to initiate the wire transfer to your bank. Then you just got to wait for the funds to be transferred, and that typically is a same day or next business day thing. So you're gonna receive the funds the same day, or it could be the next business day. The third method is to withdraw funds through your debit card. So first off, you're gonna log into your Sofi account, and then click on withdraw or transfer, and then you want to select debit card withdraw as the withdrawal method, and then you want to choose the debit card that you want to withdraw the funds to, enter the withdrawal amounts, and then confirm the details, and then just wait out for the funds to be withdrawn. Now this typically is an instant thing, so you're not going to wait long. You're going to receive your funds. Now there are a couple of things to note when it comes to withdrawal limits and fees. Now you got to check Sofi's withdrawal limits to ensure that you are within the allowed amount. And of course it's the fees. You got to review Sofi's fee schedules to understand any potential fees associated with withdrawals. Now a couple of tips that I got for you guys is, first of course, is to verify withdrawal details. So you got to double check your withdrawal details to ensure accuracy, so you don't end up making any mistakes and having to have the process void. Now the second, of course, is to monitor withdrawal status. So you got to track the status of your withdrawals to ensure that it's processed successfully. And of course you can also contact Sofi support if needed. So if you have to run into any issues while carrying out these steps, you can always just reach out to Sofi support teams with any questions that you got. So that's pretty much it for the video, guys. Hope you liked it, hope you found it useful. If you did, like the video, comment down below, let me know what you thought, share the video with your friends, and of course subscribe to the channel if you haven't done so already, because that helps us out a lot. And please don't forget to ring that notification bell so you never miss another one of our awesome videos in the future. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one. Peace.